Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a special guest with me. She can't talk, so anyways I'll be doing all the talking. So this is a mannequin head I got from Union Beauty, and her name is Bree. She is made with 100% human hair, and as you can see, the hair is full of volume, and I am so excited to review this as it's my first time. And if you are like me, then this video is also for you. So let's get into unpackaging. So the head comes in this bag. It says happy every day, and it shows you, or it tells you, different hairstyles or hair that they provide. So inside the bag, it includes a table clamp holder, which you will use to assemble on a table or a desk to make a stand. It also includes scrunchies and bobby pins. I'm not sure what that pink stuff is, but it's in Chinese language, but I guess maybe later on I'll find out what it is. And of course it includes the mannequin head. And the mannequin head, the length of the hair is actually 16 inches, which is good. And what I'm gonna do now is to show you how to assemble the parts. I don't know the name of each part, so sorry. Then once you assembled everything, you are going to flip it over. So the hook part is going to be at the bottom. Now when you flip it over and the hook part is at the bottom, you're going to place a space between the edge of the table and spin the metal part until it is tight and sturdy. Okay, so now it's time for the mannequin head. Here are some things you need to know though. It is great for braiding. So whether you are into cosmetology or you're a beginner, this is good to have so you can actually practice some protective styles. I am showing you a close-up of how thick it is, and as you can see, there's some gray strands here, but that's nothing because you can actually bleach and you can color the hair. You can also cut it, so don't mind it being trashy. Style, cut, anything that you actually want to do. And lastly, you can definitely use a flat iron. I literally look like a hairdresser here, but anyways, the hair is so easy to part through and even to section. What I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna try to curl it because I want to see how it will look and how well the flat iron will curl the hair. So I'm just sectioning a little part so I can get that done. Okay, so it's not that bad. I didn't really put the flat iron on the highest and the fans are blowing. Now these pink stuff, I still don't know what they are, but I guess I will find out soon. Now if you know me, I can't Kenro, so don't come at me. I'm just showing you how I try. But hey, the whole purpose of having the mannequin head is to practice. So please do not laugh. And I think I figured out what the pink stuff are. It seems as if the purpose is to not let the hair get in the way, so I think that's a plus. So this is basically how I can roll, guys. I know over time it will definitely get better. I'm gonna try to watch some other videos to see if I can get the technique. But for now, this is how I know how to do it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use the flat iron again this time. It's going to be a close-up and I am going to put it at 450 degrees, which is the highest temperature on the flat iron. Before, when I was doing the curls, it wasn't at the highest, but I wanted to see, you know, if it can literally take the highest temperature on the flat iron. So as you can see, you can literally see the heat. You can see the heat and you can see how well the hair takes it. So that is a plus for me. I think one day I will sit down and try to get the hair straight and see how it will turn out. So you can check on my Instagram for upcoming videos or pictures I'll be posting there. So guys, I gave my girl a Brie a simple protective hairstyle. She wasn't so pleased with it. She doesn't like how it looks, but anyways, you know, practice becomes perfect, and I'm glad I actually have something that I can practice on. I highly recommend this. The full details will be in the description below. Follow me on Instagram for more hairstyles on this mannequin head, and guys, you can create as many hairstyles you want. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.